All right, so a big part of my career has actually been working on open source and getting various developer products that we work on to become open source. Um, Open source at Microsoft really started with ASP.NET supporting jQuery. And that was not us actually building jQuery, but us just redistributing jQuery so that our developers could benefit from it. But then beyond that, when we came out with TypeScript, we decided it had to be open source so that it would be supported by the JavaScript community. And it took us, I think, 6 months or something like that to talk about how and get the support from the muckety-mucks high up to make it open source. And then just a couple of years later, and this really represents a pretty massive culture change at Microsoft at the time, we decided that we needed to also open source the Chakra, the JavaScript engine that was behind Internet Explorer. And the time that it took for me to get TypeScript to be approved to be open source versus Chakra was actually dramatically smaller, orders of magnitude smaller. And I think that really represents the culture change. But then further, bringing .NET to open source, also building Visual Studio Code in open source, all of that is really kind of how I think about how modern developer products need to get built. The developer products really amass a fan base and really actually become better products when they are built in the open.